Ano yung pinaplano nyo para wag na maulit na ganito yung ginagawa against the opposition?
Well, to be frank, may mga grupo pong lumapit sa atin na dapat daw po mag-file kami ng kaso kay Secretary Aguirre on this. To be honest, we're still deciding on that. As you know, we're on session break. We're also thinking of maybe filing an investigation on this matter pagbalik po natin sa July. We need to be responsible from the get-go. From the start, dapat responsable tayo because we are officials of the government. Hindi ko kami, alam niyo yun, opisyalis and you're the Secretary of Justice. We expect more from you. No? So, ito pong style na magsasabi kunyari sa media tapos babawiin na lang, we all know na it's not enough na mambawi lang. You need to acknowledge it, apologize for it, at huwag nyo nang ulitin. There are some groups who have come to me and said na we should file cases, no, para talagang klaro na mali itong nangyari at nagawa niya, and we're still looking at that, no? Titignan rin natin kung magandang course of action po yun. Hindi lang kasi to personal yung apology kasi is personal, but this is also institutional because he represents the Department of Justice. So hindi lang po ito basta-basta na, oh bro, sorry nagkamali ako Hindi lang kasi ganun yun this was said by the Secretary of Justice regarding sitting senators, no, of the Philippines. Hindi po siya light na accusation. It's probably the heaviest accusation, which is that you're in cahoots with the terrorist, no? Isa siyang napakabigat na akusasyon. Seryosong bagay po ito. Hindi po ito katawa-tawang bagay, hindi po siya pwedeng palampasin lang. Seryosong bagay po siya at kailangan po siyang maklarify ng maayos because there are implications on security, on policy, on relationships between agencies. Marami po siyang implikasyon. Pero syempre po, kung may iba pa pong courses of action, especially dito po sa Senado, pag-uusapan po namin yan.